Hey, to set up alarm clock on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, all you have to do is just to grab your watch, then swipe up. From this, you'll have to scroll down, go into the alarm, click on the plus, and first we can pick the start time. So for example, let's set this reminder for the 8 p.m. Click here. And now we have to set the repeat, so we can get once, only once, daily or custom. Let's say that I want to get this reminder every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, for the 3 days. Then click here, now scroll, click on it one more time, and now we can also enable the smart wake. So as you can see, we'll actually let our band to choose within a 10-minute window before our alarm to wake us up. Then we have to click here if you want to enable it, then tap on it one more time, and as you can see right now the alarm is turned on. But for sure you can actually add here the multiple alarms, so by clicking here you can actually create another one. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.